Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog here. तो आज का vlog ऐसे जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम अपने vlog में कहा था कि मेरे रूम में एक टेबल नहीं है, एक वर्क डेस्क नहीं है. So today I just got one table and it's actually a bit mess as you can see down here. तो अब बस इसको जोड़ना है. मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. I thought maybe it's gonna come. Actually मैं लेके आया था और मुझे लगा that I can get the whole assembled table, but nahi, I got everything into pieces as you can see, and I hate doing this kind of work, but let's go. As it's a content, I want something to put on my YouTube, so why not this one? So let's go and watch this journey. I'm gonna put this one for the time lapse and let's see how this one ends. Okay, chair le gaya tha. I assembled the chair. It looks very nice and it's very comfy, but I want to finish this one because I'll be very busy by tomorrow, so I just want to make sure that this is all set up and all done, good to go. Okay, I'm gonna put it on time lapse now. Okay guys, thank you so much. Or finally, after more than 2 hours, मेरा table बन गया. Or you can check that one. See the chair and the laptop, everything is fixed. Now I'm very much happy and I'm ready to edit some cool content for you guys. And there's a lot more surprises are coming, so just tune for that and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my content. Thanks so much.